You wake up stiff, spend the day locked at a desk, and by evening, your hips and back feel like concrete. You know you should stretch, but every routine you have tried feels like too much effort to keep up. Only 5 minutes a day is all it takes, and you do not need to be flexible to start. Here is the 5-minute daily stretch routine for beginners. They are great for fixing stiff joints. Most people only stretch when something hurts. By then, stiffness had been building for weeks. Here's the science-backed case for a simple daily stretch routine you can actually stick to. No floor work, no equipment, no drama. When you stretch regularly, two things happen. Your muscles and joints physically loosen up. But the bigger change is in your nervous system. Your body stops treating movement as a threat and starts allowing more range. The more often you move through that range, the more your body trusts it. That is why 5 minutes every day beats 30 minutes once a week. Consistency is what changes how your body feels long-term. Here is the quick plan. 5 moves, about 30 seconds each side, 2 rounds. Ready? Stretch 1, standing hip flexor lunge. Step 1 foot back with a slight bend in the front knee. Tuck the pelvis like you're zipping tight jeans. Feel the front of the back hip. Stay tall, glutes lightly on. Hold 30 seconds each side. Stretch 2. Seated figure 4. Sit at the edge of a chair, ankle over opposite knee. Hinge forward from the hips, chest proud. You'll feel the outer hip and deep glute, the area that often feeds lower back stiffness. Hold 30 seconds on each side. Stretch 3. Seated spinal twist. Sit tall, feet planted. Rotate gently toward one side, crown of head reaching up. Think long spine, small turn, 20-30 seconds each side. This mobilizes the lower back without cranking it. Stretch 4. Doorway, pec. Stretch. Forearm on the door frame at shoulder height. Step through slightly until you feel the chest, front shoulder open. Keep ribs down, neck long. 20-30 seconds each side. This counters desk posture. Stretch 5. Neck reset, chin tuck, and side bend. First, draw your chin straight back like you're making a double chin. 5 slow breaths. Then gently tilt the ear to the shoulder, keeping the opposite shoulder heavy. 1 seconds each side. Ease only. Now, ready to run it through? Do all 5. Switch sides, then repeat the circuit once. Breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. When you do the stretches in the morning, that helps to wake up stiff tissue and sets the posture for the day. If you do these in the evening, that can help unload the stress you've accumulated and help to calm the nervous system for sleep. It is good if you can do this daily. After 2 to 4 weeks of consistency, expect easier first steps in the morning, smoother overhead reach, less neck tightness, and better hip rotation. You're improving range of motion mostly by reducing neural guarding and increasing tissue glide, not forcing length. Keep it tall, breathe slow, and stop 1 notch before discomfort. Here you go, 5 minutes. Gentle daily. Stiffness goes away. Start today. Train smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.